All right, this is going to be a tutorial in how to start creating your own website and blog posts for literature. So if you go to our Google Classroom and go ahead and click on the About tab over on the right, you will see where it says Weebly blog website, and that's one of the resources on our page. So go ahead and click on the link, and it's students.weebly.com. And you're going to go ahead and enter your username. And I'm actually going to steal one here. Sorry. So mine will be samelia130. Your password is your first and last name with no capital letters. I'm going to go ahead and type this in. All right, when you log in, you're going to see this page here, and you can choose your website domain, and this is how people will find your website. So if you just click here, and then go ahead and think about, how would you want to name your website? So, for example, she might say missshaley.weebly.com. So her website address would be missshaley.weebly.com. Choose something that you like, that reflects you, as long as it's respectful. Click the continue button. And now it says over here, get started by dragging an element to your page. So there's any of these little blocks over here are called elements. And you just drag them over and place them where you want on your page. So for example, if I just go ahead and click here, look how it says click here to edit. So I could make my title So I might say something like Miss Shaley's Literature Blog. If I highlight the text, I can make it bold. I can make it italics. I can underline. And I can even change the color. So maybe I want to do red. And these ones here is alignment, and it shows where the text goes. So maybe I want to move the text to the right, or move the text to the middle, or something like that. And I can even click on things like that. So I'm getting kind of stuck up, but there we go. Now when I keep scrolling, see how it says drag elements here. So I could do an image if I want. I could start with an image, and it says I need to upload one, but I'm just going to go to search. And the first book I read was Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So I'm going to search for it. And no great pictures, but I might try this one. And now I have my picture. See how it's so big? I can edit, I can click on the picture, and I can actually edit it. And I think I can make the size smaller. Let's see. Yep, see this little box in the corner? Just pull it up, drag, and it's going to go ahead and make this smaller. Now I can go ahead and drag. I need a text box because I'm going to write a literature book review. And I'm going to add a text box underneath the picture where I'm going to write my review. Now I might first make a title. So I'm going to say Review Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And since it's a book title, I'm going to highlight the text and I'm going to go ahead and underline it because it's a book title. Now I notice the font is really not very dark, so I'm going to click on the A. I'm going to make it a much darker color. I'm going to do dark purple, and I'm going to do bold just so that it stands out. I'm going to click the Enter button twice, and my alignment button here, I'm going to align the text onto the left over here, and I'm going to start writing my review. And I might say something like, oops, I don't want to underline. The Diary of a Wimpy Kid blah, 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 blah. Now we go ahead and start writing my review. Now, none of the pages will show up on the internet until you click this publish button. I'm not going to press it. It's this blue one, because this is someone else's blog and I don't want to mess it up. So play around. There's other things over here you can do. You can do a slideshow, a map, gallery, etc. But really you want to focus on writing your review of the book that you have read. All right, thank you. Hopefully this helped.